Hello everyone, I am happy to share with you that the Department of Pali and Buddhist Studies of the Savitribai Phule Pune University is offering a 1.5 years diploma in Buddhist Classical Tibetan. This is a unique course that offers training in translating Buddhist classical Tibetan texts into any modern language. You will learn in this course to read and understand classical literary Tibetan. The scope of this course is restricted to reading and understanding classical literary Tibetan, that is, texts which are translated from their Indian originals. The course does not focus on spoken Tibetan. In this course, we will also go through the history of Buddhism in Tibet as well as the translation activity that started there from 8th century onwards. After Buddhism disappeared from India, many Indian Buddhists fled to Nepal and Tibet. While fleeing, they carried with them several thousand manuscripts of original Buddhist texts. Many of these manuscripts are not available at present due to various reasons, like some of them were destroyed or some are not accessible due to various reasons. As a result, a major part of these Sanskrit Buddhist texts is available only in their Tibetan translations. In order to understand the contents of these translations, it is necessary to translate these Buddhist texts into modern languages. This diploma course will train students in translating from classical literary Tibetan into a modern language. This course is of the duration of 1.5 years, and these are divided into 3 semesters. The first 2 semesters have one paper. Each paper will include formal lectures and group discussions. There will be 5 lectures, 5 hours teaching per week, and overall 15 weeks teaching in one semester. In the third semester, you will translate either a small text or a part of a larger text from Tibetan into either English or Hindi or Marathi. The course is open to all those who have completed their higher secondary exam from any recognized board. The classes will take place both offline and online to make it easier for people during this COVID pandemic. The medium of instruction will be English and Marathi, and also Hindi will be used sometimes. To find more details about the course, please go to Pali Department website, or for help either email us or call us. Admissions are open from now till 4th of July with late fees till 10th of July. You will need to give an entrance exam which will test your basic knowledge of history of Buddhism in Tibet and Tibetan Buddhism, the link of which will be given in the description, as well as how to apply on Pune University's website. Again, you find the information in description. Course fees for candidates from Maharashtra is about 4,500 Indian rupees, and for people outside Maharashtra it is around 8,500 rupees. So we are looking forward to have you with us in this unique course that helps in translating Buddhist texts from Tibetan into modern language. Thank you.